Today we are going to install a 5-pound package into a 10-frame hive. Okay. Here I've already prepared the frames, the feeder full of sugar. We have our queen bee here in the cage already. So the best idea, have 2 foundation, one here, and 2 drawn comb for the bees to start, for the queen to start laying in when she gets eaten out. Put the queen in amongst the frames. Take the package of bees. Open. Shake a handful of bees over the queen. Place the box back into the hive. Open the lid. See how the bees are coming out. They crawl to the queen. So tomorrow we can come across, pull out the empty box, and then fill up with frames. This hive here was done yesterday. All the bees have crawled out of the box to the queen. So all we have to do is pull out the package, shake the remaining bees off it, put the foundation to the outside and some drawn comb if you got it in the middle. Check the feeder if they've finished their sugar, add more sugar, maybe give it 2 or 3 feeds. Once they've drawn out some of the foundation, pop another frame in there, and then Bob's your uncle, you got a package, you got a hive. Have a good day.